Hey guys, so I just wanted to take you through how to get everything set up for the website. So this is going to be the URL that we're using right now, as you can tell. So this is going to be the login. As you can see, username is admin. I will send over the password for you. You click login, and that will redirect us to our backend, our dashboard. So this is what the dashboard of the Above the Stratus website looks like. So let me take you through some of the important areas in which you're going to be updating and keeping up to date as soon as I hand this project off to you. So here is where posts are. So this is going to be all blog related stuff, or events, locations, artists. But here are your pages. Let's go in there, take a look at this stuff. As you can see, we have our photos page, our partners, our contact. Let's take a look at our partners, because this is one we're working on pretty soon. So as you can see, I just have a little bit of content here. You guys can go directly in here, write down some stuff, and if you clicked update, it would update it. Here, parent would be, if you wanted to set this as a page that went underneath one of these other pages, you can go here, and these are the different templates that I've set up. You have the default one, you have the blog, you have the front page. We're just going to stick with default. Now if you go a little further down, you can set our iCarousel slideshow to be on here. You can set a featured image for the page, but we're not going to do any of that. Next, we have our events. This is the most important aspect of your site. This is where you're going to be updating all your current events and whatnot. So let's go there. So, for example, here is the ATS 1-year anniversary party. You're going to put your title here. You're going to put your information here. This is where you can set the event date and time. It's based on military time. Now location, if one of the events are not in one of these places, this is where you can add a location. So some location, you would click add, boom, but we're not doing that right now. Now, if you want it to be featured on the front page, or a featured event like we saw on the front page, you would set it here. If you want to enable booking, which would be the RSVP system, it would go here. You can set the number of tickets, number of booked. You can add custom fields. We can go more into detail about that. We will. Setting the feature image. So this is pretty important. We want these images to be 350 by 500. Because that's what I set our containers up to, and it's going to be perfect for your guys' stuff. You can choose your category here. Boom. It's that simple. Lastly, I want to take you to the iCarousel, because this is what you're going to be updating as well. So, as you can see, this is the carousel that we've been working on. Documentation goes through certain different things, common settings. That's not important right now. We're going to edit my first carousel called test. So instead we want to add a slide. So we're going to go all the way down here, add an image, let this load up for a bit. We're going to come in here, hit show, we're going to insert it into the post, and it's really that simple. So remove that one because we don't need that one, and if you ever need to remove, you just click that button. There's plenty of options that I'm going to go over with you after this first video, so let's save that. Save very easily. Visit the site. So those are just some of the key components of the site. Like I said, remember featured events. You see how that's popping up here. I think that's pretty cool. And yeah, so let me know, guys.